Chapter 5, Coding, Decoding. In this type of questions, some particular letters, words or numbers are assigned certain substitute names. Then a question is asked that is to be answered in the substitute code language. Okay, example, if light is called morning, morning is called dark, dark is called night, and night is called sunshine. When do we sleep? So first, for the answer that when do we sleep? We sleep at night. So here we find the night. Night is present here. So here we call night as sunshine. So our answer for this one will be B, sunshine. Okay? Explanation. We sleep in night and night is called sunshine. Explanation. We sleep in night and night is called sunshine. Okay? Similarly, we have to do the rest of the questions. Okay? Take the right choice. First, if mango is called apple, apple is called banana, banana is called orange, and orange is called guava. Then which is not round in shape? So first we have to answer which is not in round shape. So here we are given mango, apple, banana, orange. So here we have to tell among these four fruits which fruit is not round. So clearly banana is not round and we called banana as orange. So orange is our answer. Okay? Second, if January is called February, February is called September, September is called October, and October is called December, then which month has less than 30 days? So we know that the only month that has less than 30 days is February. So February is here and it is called as September. So our answer will be September. Okay? Third, if tongue is called nose, nose is called foot, foot is called hand, and hand is called fingers, then we breathe with the help of. So here we have to find that through which organ we breathe. So we breathe through nose and nose is called foot. So our answer to this one is foot. Okay? Fourth, if a dog is called cat, cat is called lion, lion is called fish, and fish is called rat, then which animal lives in water? So we have to find out which animals among these lives in water. So we know that fish lives in water and fish is called rat. So our answer will be rat. Okay? 5. If horse means forest, forest means hut, hut means river, and river means lake, then where do tigers live in? So we know that tigers live in forest and forest here means hut. So our answer is hut. Okay? 6. If B means C, C means D, D means E, and E means F, then which letter of alphabet is a vowel? So we know that we have vowels as A, E, I. So we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. And here only E is present and E means F here. So our answer will be F. 7. In a certain code language, an is written as 15 and in is written as 23. Then how on is written in that language? So we have to find that for on which number is used. So we are given an equals to 15. Here if we see that A is present at 1 position and N is present at 14 position. So adding them we got the answer as 15. Okay. Similarly we are given N written as 23. So I and N equals to 23. So here if we see that I is present at 9th position and N is present at 14th position and we add them, our answer will come as 23. So to find out the value of ON, we will see that on which position O comes. So we know that O comes on 15th position and N comes on 14th position. So our answer is 29. Okay. 8. In a certain code language, cat is written as 24, rat is written as 39, then how eat is written in that language. So here we are given cat equals to 24. So if we see, C is present at 3rd position, A is present at 1st position and T is present at 20 position. So the total of these will become 24. Similarly we are given rat. R comes at 18th position, A at 1st position and T at 20th position, and this becomes 39. So to find the value or the number for eat will be E comes at 5th position, A at 1st position and T at 20th position, and this will becomes 26. So answer for this one is 26. Okay. 9. If ant is written as 1, 2, 3 and net is written as 2, 4, 3, then T is written as. So here we are given ant as 1, 2, 3 and net as 2, 4, 3. Okay, that means A is 1, N is 2 and T is 3. Similarly, N here is 2, E is 4 and T is 3. So we have to find out the number for T. So T here means 3, E means 4 and A means 1. So the number will be 3, 4, 1. Okay. 10. In a certain code, Delhi is written as IDLED and Patna is written as ANTAP. Then how Noida is written in that language? So if we look at Delhi and if we reciprocate it, the answer will be IHLED. That is present here. And looking at Patna, if we reciprocate it, it will be ANTAP, and that is the answer for this. So for Noida, if we replicate it, it will be ADION, and ADION is present here. Okay. (11) If the codes for father is REHTAF and for mother is REHTOM, then what is the code for friend in that language? So if we look at father and we see the spelling from reverse, it will be REHTAF. That is similar to the given code. For mother, if we see the spellings from the end, it will be REHTOM, and that is similar to the given one. So for friend, if we reciprocate it, it will be DNEIRF. That is present here. So this will be our answer. Okay. 12. In a certain language, if rest is coded as 5 @ and hash, and sort is coded as and *5 hash, then how will rows be coded in that language? So if we look at rest, and the code is 5 @ and hash. This means R stands for 5, E stands for @, S stands for N, and T stands for hash. Similarly, we are given sort. Here S stands for and, O stands for star, R stands for 5, and T stands for hash. So we have to find the code for rows. So rows we are given ROSE. So R here stands for 5. O stands for star. S stands for and E stands for @. This means 5 star and @ will be our answer. Okay. 13. In a certain language, if scale is coded as %#9 *@ and pencil is coded as and @power #7 then how will planes be coded in that language? So for scale we are given %#9 *@, and then we are given pencil. For pencil we are given and @power #7 This means S stands for %, C stands for hash, A stands for 9, L stands for star, and E stands for @. Similarly, P stands for and, N stands for power, I stands for 7. Now we are asked for planes. Here P is denoted as and, L is as star, A as 9, N as power, E as @, and S as %. So and *9 power @% will be the answer. So our answer will be D. Okay. 14. In a certain code language, bat is written as CBU and ball is coded as CBMM. How will game be written in that language? So first we are given bat, that is written as CBU. So if we look at these two words, the next letter after B is present here, the next letter after A is present here, and the next letter after T is present here. This means in code language we use the very next letter after the letter present. If we look at the ball, here the letter that comes after B is C, letter that comes after A is B, letter after L is M, and this was our answer. So for the game, The letter that comes after G is H. Letter after A is B. Letter after M is N. And letter after E is F. So our answer will be H, B and F. Okay. 15. If cat is coded as 3, mice is coded as 4 and tiger is coded as 5, then how monkey be coded in that language? So if we look at cat, it has 3 letters, so it is coded as 3. Mice has 4 letters, so it is coded as 4. Then we are given tiger. So tiger has 5 letters, so it is coded as 5. So we are asked for monkey. Monkey has 6 letters. That means 6 will be our answer. Okay? 16. In a certain code language, some letters are coded as follows. Letter code. A is coded as @ T is coded as 2, P is coded as 5, E is coded as and, L coded as hash, Y coded as 1, C coded as 3 and B coded as question mark, then N is coded as plus. Find the code for apple. So we have to find the code for apple. So for apple, the first A stands for @. P here stands for 5. That means 5 will come twice. Then L presents here hash. Then E stands for and. So our answer will be @55 hash and. 17. In a certain code language, some letters are coded as follows. Letter code. A is coded as $, O coded as @, C coded as %, U coded as and, T as hash, N as plus, R as question mark and K as star. So we are asked for a count. So here A stands for $, C stands for %, O stands for @, U stands for and, N stands for plus and T stands for hash. This means $, %, @ and plus hash will be the answer. And that is here. 18. If cylinder means pentagon, pentagon means cube, cube means none. Faces for which one are in square shape. So we have to identify among these pictures which picture has a face similar to square. And the face similar to square is of this. That is cube. So cube here means none. So our answer will be none. 19. If scissor means stapler, stapler means pencil, pencil means puncher and puncher means pen, then dash is used for punching the paper. So for punching the paper we use puncher and it means as pen. So here pen will be the answer. Okay. 20. If book means pencil, pencil means bag, bag means pen, pen means hat, then dash is used for carrying books. So to carry books we use bag and bag means here is a pen. So the answer for this one is pen. Okay.